So check this out. I got this machine, well, it was free because they were going to throw it away, and as many of you know, I can't not take free stuff. So anyway, what this thing is a tensile-strength tester. And it came out of a gold chain factory. They were using it to test the tensile strength of the gold chain, part of their quality control department. So what they do, sorry if I'm jerking this thing around, is they would clamp the chain in here and in here between it, and then you turn it on and it slowly opens up. See it moving? So I'm going to turn this into a wire draw machine, a vertical hydraulic wire drawing machine. That way I can justify owning something like this, because I haven't got any clue what I would use it for. But it's kind of cool. So, plus it's got big cool dials. That's neat. But yeah, it won't draw very long, but I might change that. But you can see where it would make a great wire pulling machine. Anyway,